Good afternoon, Chair Colkhorst and members of the committee. My name is Rachel Walters. I'm the Senior Director of Public Affairs at the Texas Alliance of Child and Family Services, and we support House Bill 2789. On behalf of the many foster care providers that the Alliance represents, including all of our single-source continuum contractors who deliver community-based care, we want to thank Senator Sparks for your focus on our child welfare system, and particularly your dedication to making our regulatory and oversight structure better, and one that values child safety over checkboxes. This is a great next step to Senate Bill 593, which you passed last session. And keep in mind, too, that Texas's requirements of foster care providers are hundreds of pages long. And to be clear, we believe that foster care providers are and should be highly regulated. They are charged with caring for other people's children, but those regulations should be focused on the safety and well-being of those children, not just regulation for the sake of it. And while we sometimes focus on organizations that deliver foster care services, foster parents and kinship caregivers are affected by overregulation as well, and their ability to serve some of our most vulnerable is significantly impacted by bureaucratic red tape. You heard a couple of the really great parts of the bill already from Senator Sparks. We completely agree with the removal of the requirement for community-based care providers to be licensed as child-placing agencies. That was confusing and duplicative. We also agree that the removal of the tuberculosis testing requirement is outdated and was a burden to caregivers and foster families. That's great. The deletion of unnecessary prescriptive detail in the law with the trespassing requirements and even the licensed child care administration requirements are really common sense changes. So this is a good bill. The work isn't done. I'm sure we're going to have some robust conversations through the sunset process, but we're really grateful for this huge step forward. Thank you for your leadership. Happy to answer questions.